Meet the ASMOKE Essential, a compact, portable, battery-powered pellet grill. Here to revolutionize everything from apartment cooking, camping, and beachside grilling. The ASMOKE battery is good for up to 8 hours of low and slow, set it and forget it cook time. This futuristic design will ensure fire safety in the woods, as well as ensure constant temperatures for your breezy beachside picnic. Best-in-class temperature control with dual thermometers that allows you to cook to precision while having fun. Precision control thanks to the industry-leading ASCATM technology. A water reservoir for superheated steam system helps to lock in maximum moisture. The smartest portable pellet grill you can control with a 720p LED display or an Android or iOS app integration. Smooth interface delivers temperature monitoring and preset cooking modes. See why this unit successfully crowdfunded over $1 million in sales on Kickstarter.